Welcome to session 26. That is on today. We'll be starting a new module on vitamins. So, vitamins we'll be discussing in two sessions. In one session, we'll be discussing fat soluble vitamins, and in the session 27, we'll be discussing about uh, water soluble vitamins. So let us first define what are vitamins. So vitamins may be regarded as a organic compounds required in the diet in small amounts to perform specific biological functions for normal maintenance of optimum growth and health of an organism. And if these vitamins are not supplemented in the diet, it may cause some deficiency disorders. It may cause deficiency disorders if these vitamins are not supplemented in the diet. Hopkins coined the term accessory factors to the unknown and essential nutrients present in the natural foods. Funk in 1913 isolated an active principle, an amine, from the rice polishing, and later in yeast, which could cure a disease called as beriberi, and hence the term vita, which is life, and amine, it is as it is containing an amine group, right? Okay. So now let us, with the brief introduction of vitamins, now let us move on to the classification. The vitamins can be classified as fat soluble, which are derived from the fat, and water soluble vitamins. So fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, and K, and water soluble vitamins are non B complex and B complex. In non B complex, we have vitamin C, and we have a lot of vitamins. We call them as B complex. So we have B1, B2, B3, B6, B7, and pantothenic acid, and we also have vitamin B12 and folic acid. So now in today's session, we'll be discussing about the uh, fat soluble vitamins. They are associated with fat absorption, and they are needed in very small amount in micrograms and stored in fatty tissues. Excess intake causes toxicity, right? Okay. So our first vitamin is vitamin A. Uh, the three forms in the body, it occurs in three forms in the body: retinol, retinal, and retinoic acid. And the precursor for vitamin A is beta carotene. This is present abundantly in carrots. So we don't directly get vitamin A in carrot, rather we get uh, beta carotene. If it is cleaved here, it becomes beta carotene, right? Okay. So precursor of beta carotene, it is derived from plant fruits, and it promotes vision, maintains epithelial tissue and skin, it maintains the mucous membrane, supports reproduction and growth. Sperm, it has major role in sperm development and fetal development, and deficiency of this vitamin causes night blindness, dry, rough and scaly skin. It may also cause measles, diarrhea, infectious diseases like pneumonia. And yeah, this is present in very colorful vegetables like pumpkin, carrots, spinach, uh, uh, and mangoes, peppers, uh, liver. It is abundantly present in liver of animal tissues and kidney. Yeah, these are some of the deficiency examples. So this is called as xerophthalmia, a disease associated with the deficiency of vitamin A, which include retarded growth, increased susceptibility to infections, enlargement of the hair follicles, and keratinization of the epithelial uh, or mucous cells of the skin. So this is the overall summary of vitamin A and beta carotene. Liver is called as a very rich source of, it can be any, from any source, it can be goat, sheep or beef liver. Everything is a very rich source of vitamin A. It is also present in apricots, sweet potatoes, carrots, milk. Spinach is a very good source of vitamin A. So next we will move on to vitamin D. So in vitamin D, so body can make vitamin D. So hence this vitamin is called as sunshine vitamin. It is also called as sunshine vitamin. So vitamin D is also called as sunshine vitamins. Our body can make this vitamin D from sunlight. It is made from the cholesterol. So hence cholesterol is very, very important for our body. Production occurs in liver and kidney, and diseases can affect activation. The target tissues are intestines, kidneys, and bones. It is also involved in the bone making and maintenance team. It also maintains concentration of calcium and phosphate in the blood. So it is directly associated with bone density and bone health. Deficiency causes calcium deficiency. It means weak bones or brittle bones. So this is how it is being shown from the sunlight, how cholesterol is being converted into uh, vitamin D, and it has a major role in calcium absorption. It has a role in the calcium absorption. So if excessive vitamin D is being consumed, it may cause stones or hardening of the blood vessels. The sources are, it is present in fortified milk, it is present in margarine, cereals, beef, and eggs. So this is again the representation, the overall summary of the vitamin D. Here it is clearly shown that it can be synthesized in our body by the sunlight. It is also present in shrimps, salmon, which is a type of fish, and it is also present in fortified milk. The third vitamin is vitamin E. It is found in corn, nuts, olives, green leafy vegetables, vegetable oils, and wheat germ. But food alone cannot provide a beneficial amount of vitamin E, and supplements may be helpful. The chemical name for this is tocopherol. It is an antioxidant. It means it protects our body from the free radicals. It may reduce the aging. Okay, may reduce the risk of heart disease. Deficiencies are rare. If there are any such deficiency, it may cause erythrocyte hemolysis. Erythrocytes andre it is RBCs, and it is easily destroyed by heat processing. So the benefits of vitamin E is summarized here. It protects the cell membrane and tissues from damage by oxidation. So it means our skin will look healthy and glowing. So it is present in sunflower seeds, wheat germ, safflower seeds, mayonnaise, and canola oil. And the last vitamin, vitamin K. It helps in blood clotting. Deficiency causes hemorrhagic diseases, bleeding. Toxicity not common. And sources, it is made by bacteria in the gastrointestinal tract. So it is made by the bacteria in the stomach, gastrointestinal tract, right? It means in the stomach. So stomach has lot of bacteria, and those bacteria synthesizes this particular vitamin, and it is stored in the liver. So liver is also high in vitamin K. The sources of vitamin K include cabbage, cauliflower, spinach, and other green leafy vegetables, as well as cereals. So it is present in all green leafy vegetables like cauliflower, spinach, and cabbage, broccoli, and other green leafy vegetables and cereals. So this is the overall summary of vitamin K, how much it has to be taken, and this is the overall summary of all the vitamins. So vitamin A, the chemical name, beta carotene, and it was when it was identified, what is the function, and what are the sources, and how much it has to be taken daily. So vitamin D, it is also called as calciferol or uh, cholecalciferol, ergocalciferol, ergosterol. So all these are the chemical names of the vitamin D. And vitamin E, tocopherol, vitamin K, we call it as phylloquinone. So all these are the chemical names of the vitamins, and the functions, and the deficiency disorders, and the sources, and how much it should be taken. Everything is summarized beautifully in one page. So if you have a glance of all this, you will be in a position to get what are the important sources, what are the physiological functions, and what are the deficiency disorders of these vitamins, and how much of all this should be taken in the diet. So these are my references. I hope you have understood the thing. Thank you one and all.